Hey, so today we are here at Walmart. One thing that I like to do with my son sometimes on weekends or even when we are on breaks to have a little bonding time is we bake. So today we're actually going to be baking some healthy sweet potato brownies. And I'm just here to pick up a few ingredients. My son Jordan opted to stay home and play Minecraft while I come out and do the heavy lifting, but he will be with us when we get back home and we actually start the baking process. So come along with me for the ride. So I like to come into Walmart kid-free and walk around and look at all the things and just enjoy the short break.
Hey guys, today me and my mom are making healthy brownies.
So there's a spoon. So basically,
Bougie. I'm in the kitchen right
I'm
now.
gonna take the peanut butter.
There's Jordan in the kitchen. Not my mom in the
Okay.
kitchen. Get some peanut butter. Get in.
Stay close to the bowl, please.
Little bit of chocolate love. Huh? Me love. Need you too. Looks better, but still.
Careful.
Buttery.
You gotta mix. All in.
Keep it that time.
Don't stir too much because it's brownies, and if you stir too much, we lose the texture. All right, Jordan, only a little bit of chocolate chips, all right? Whoa! Think we should put more? Oh boy, super chocolatey. Ready for the oven. Just putting it in the oven, guys.
I can't wait. So yummy, delicious.
The moment we've all been waiting for. We finally have our first slice of our yummy sweet potato brownie, and we're gonna give it the taste test to decide whether it gets 2 thumbs up or 2 thumbs down. So, what are we thinking?
5 stars, I recommend.
2 thumbs up.
Hey, give me something.